Sky and candy cloud.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to show you guys this unit. If you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this hair, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so we have a unit from Formal Hair today. I really do love their packaging. It has 3 melanated queens on there and they look super cute, and I was like, that is so freaking cute. And I love how compact the box is. I don't always like the big boxes because I just feel like, girl, like we don't have enough room for all that. I know for me, myself personally, I have a lot of things, so I don't like to have something that's like super big and cluttery. So I thought that that was cute, and I absolutely love the fact that they have these 3 queens on here. I thought that that was super cute. Now I did want to let you guys know that they did include headbands for the units. So they did include 3. Did they include 3, or is that from somewhere else? I think they included, yeah, I think they did include 3. So they did include headbands. You do not have to purchase headbands on your own if you don't want to. However, I am particular about like my accessories, your headband being an accessory, okay? Like, you're not just gonna wear like any given headband because it may not match your personality or the outfits that you wear, everything like that. Today I'm wearing just a robe, but I still make sure that my headband matched my robe, okay? It's honestly not even today, okay? Like, it's tonight. It's very late at night, so I was like, I'm not gonna get dressed, but I wanted to make sure that my headband correlated with my robe. So and this can actually correlate with a lot of outfits that I have now because I am really just in love with brown. So I did just quickly show you guys these headbands before I picked out this one. This one is super cute. I just love it. I love the colors. I love the variety that they give you. They're all like very cute. They do have a pattern, of course, though, so you will, like, I don't know, for me personally, I like to correlate these type of things with something solid, or if it is something like it just can't be too busy, but that's just me personally. It's all on personal preference. So this is how it is. So it's just basically like something that you would literally tie. It's not one that you like will put over your head and it's already, you know, together. So I really do like this for a change, especially when I'm gonna be wearing it down. I feel like this looks so really like just well put together and nice and neat, and it feels comfortable on my hairline. Not that the other ones don't, because all headbands feel good on my hairline. But anyways, enough about the headbands, right? Like, you want to know about this hair, so let's go ahead and talk about this hair. Now let's go right into the cap construction. Now that I've already told you guys about how I feel about the packaging, so as far as the cap construction, I feel like it is very nice. It is your standard typical headband. It does have the black elastic part for the headband, and it is nice just like the rest of them. It does come with 3 combs in the front area, which I only use the middle one because I don't want to give myself a headache. it does have a lot of security, but for me personally, like, I don't feel like I need to use all those combs because my dome is big. Now as far as how this unit fits, I feel like it is like an average head type of unit. So it's fitting me just like right perfect, because my head is, yeah, it's pretty big. So, but it's fitting okay. If you have a smaller head, I feel like you should just use the combs, or on the sides just use like bobby pins or something like that. It's not like super big though, so you won't have to worry about that. So as far as like the hair goes, I did style it straight out of the box, as you guys seen, and I feel like the hair is very, very nice. I do really like the hair. I did get a little bit of shedding. I did not get any tangling. I wasn't expecting any though either, because this length is like shorter, but sometimes it still can happen because this is kinky straight hair, and you guys know, like, with this texture you can't experience that. But I did just experience a little bit of shedding, but it was nothing that was drastic. And I love how this hair flat irons. This is this hair, you guys seen, I just did one pass, and this is what I got, and it looks really nice. I just wanted to do one pass because I did want the hair to be straight, but not too straight to the point where it would lose the texture. So that's why I just did one pass. But you definitely could get it bone straight, but if you're gonna get kinky hair, I mean, I wouldn't see you really wanting it like super bone straight. But anyways, the hair quality is really nice. The hair is really soft. It did not come with a smell, which I was so happy, because I wanted to style this straight out of the box, and if it would have came with a smell, like, that would have been mission impossible. But yeah, overall this hair is really, really nice. I actually really like this length. I thought that I wasn't gonna like it. Like, when they were like, let me send you this length, I was like, girl, I don't know about that. But I think that it is actually a really nice length. So yeah, it just looks very, very natural. As far as the density, I feel like it's a very natural density, and I really appreciate that, because you guys know, usually with kinky straight hair, like, it's just, sometimes it's just so much hair. And while we love it on this channel, we love a full unit, but honey, like, it can't be too full to where it's like, girl, it's too much. But yeah, this has definitely a natural density. Now obviously, like, when you wear this hair in its natural state, like, once I wash it and let it air dry, it's gonna go back to its natural state, and it'll be a little bit bigger than this, which I don't mind. It's not too much, like I said before. So it does have a nice density on it. So overall, I definitely like this unit, and I definitely would recommend it. I will have a link down in the description box below, and shout out to Formal Hair for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. So definitely go ahead and check them out. Yeah, like I said, I'll have the links in the description box below, and I will also link my headbands as well in case you guys are interested in those. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.